Good evening, everybody. We are in a little bit of a rush because I am going to get a haircut. Finally, it's been like 12 weeks. I'm going to get a haircut for my birthday holiday preparations because I'm going to Valencia with my sister and my husband to celebrate my 35th. I need to get this bushy tail like cut ASAP because it literally looks like I have like a fox's tail at the back of my head. In a few hours that will be shaped in my face and I will be like a new woman and ready for holiday because, oh no, tomorrow I have booked to get my nails and eyelashes done because these need curled. Like, I got about an inch taken off and just like shaped around my face, all cut for birthdays and holidays, and the perfect cut. I came home to a surprise birthday present from Stephen. This is a painting of our dog Coco, who passed away. She was like just the best and I loved her so much, and when she passed away it was literally like the saddest thing. So this is the nicest, most thoughtful gift that I could ever receive because I've been looking for a painting for there and now it's like, it's just perfect. Just out of the nail salon, which is probably like the worst experience I've ever had. I went in there, showed the guy a picture, and I was like, oh yeah, I can do that. I was in there for basically 2 hours. First of all, started doing builder gel. Completely fine. I was like, oh good, I'll save my nails from getting like wrecked. He's doing the like French tip part, and he uses like the white polish, and I'm like, oh, are you going to like do pink over that? And he goes, what? And I'm like, well, I showed you the picture, pink on pink. So he changes it and he does a pink tip, and then he goes, do you want oil? And I'm like, are you doing the pink over that? And he's like, no, that's you. So it was just builder gel and a pink line of the French tip. I was trying to explain it to him and he just didn't get it at all. He then got like papped up the back of the shop, like as if I was in like the naughty corner, and then this lovely woman came out and she fixed them for me. Now I'm late for my eyelash appointment to get these straight eyelashes curled. Oh yeah, and because I was in there for so long, I'm currently having a bounty for lunch. I've got my lashes done. They're like, you can see they're curled, which is like so unusual for me because my lashes are literally like a ruler. And my nails, like pink on pink, they're actually so cool. But literally like my eyelashes, these are like the best thing to get for any girls or guys who have hooded eyelashes because it just makes your eyes look like 10 times bigger and it doesn't make you look like you're sleeping all day long. And my eyebrows, all ready for holidays. I can't wait. That's my suitcase packed. I've got all my clothes here, my shoes in there. I've still got to add my toiletries and my hair things, which I'll do in the morning, and my jewellery. Then I've got my travel bag, which is of course my base bag, which I love. I've got my caps on the top. And then little Miss Oreo, who unfortunately can't come. But you're going on your holidays to Grandma's house, aren't you? You're going on your holidays? You're a good girl. You're smiling. I'm just getting my toiletries ready for packing. And I forgot to mention that I just got a parcel delivered from Dermatica. I ordered it last week because I have hyperpigmentation and it's meant to be really good for hyperpigmentation. So I'm going to do a series on that and hopefully it's going to be a successful series. Thank you for watching this vlog. I will see you in my next vlog, Spain. Bye.